Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can delete the browsing history in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So it's pretty straightforward, and if this video will be helpful, guys, write down below in the comments that it helped you. So when the other people come here, they will know that it's like actually worth it to watch this video. So you want to write here Edge, open Edge, then when you have it, go on a top right to the three dots, click history, and then you can have the three dots here again and clear browsing data. Now you're gonna see the browsing history, download history, and you can also choose what you want to actually delete and then clear now. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.